I'm going to show you how to make a face mask. First, you'll need to make a pattern. For an adult size, you'll need to make a rectangle that's 9 inches by 6 inches and 2 pieces of elastic that are 7 inches long. I folded my fabric so I wouldn't have to cut as much. Fold your fabric and cut around. Take your fabric and fold it right sides together. Start in the middle of your rectangle. You're going to want to make sure that you're going to leave a 2-inch opening by the time you're finished. Take your elastic and place it on the corner of your rectangle. Make sure to put it at an angle. Backstitch over your elastic to make sure it stays in place. Make sure your elastic is not twisted and that you don't stitch over it while sewing down the side. Place the corner of the elastic in the corner of your rectangle at the same angle as you did on the top. Backstitch over your elastic. Cut your threads and don't forget to cut your corners. When starting to sew the other side, make sure that you leave a 2-inch opening. This will help you turn your fabric right side out later. Stitch the other side exactly like the first side. That 2-inch opening is going to help you turn your fabric right side out. Gently pull the corners of your elastic to pull the corners out. You'll stitch up your opening at the very end. We are going to make 3 pleats on both sides. It might take you a while to get the spacing right, but after making a few masks, it should be pretty easy. Place pins to hold your pleats. Repeat this step on the other side. Now we're going to top stitch all the way around our mask. Be careful of your pins. Some machines can sew over them if you place them properly. Some machines cannot. So I recommend removing pins as you gently sew your pleats. You'll notice you have your opening at the top, fold in the raw edges, and top stitch over it. Trim your threads, and now your mask is done.